Hey guys, welcome back to the SC Programs video. In this video, we're going to go over web scraping and why it's pretty useful. For those of you who don't know, web scraping is basically when you go to a website and scrape all the data from it. So in this video, we're going to use this website. It's just a PC website, and we're going to scrape all the prices from here, right? To get their featured products. Now, you're probably thinking, why is this useful? And it's actually really useful, and a lot of companies will pay money for this because information is pretty much priceless, right? If you know what your competitors listing the same product for, you can undercut them. You can build systems like to automatically go on sale when they go on sale. You can do all sorts of stuff, right? So it's really useful to know this sorts of stuff, and it's a good skill to have. Now, this is relatively easy. Just make sure you're picking a website that isn't like filled to the brim with like reCAPTCHA and Cloudflare and stuff, because they will block you and they will be a pain. If you come here, go to connection is secured, you can see if we open the certificate, there is no Cloudflare. We're good. But yeah, to get started, open up Visual Studios, and we're just gonna open it like this, and we're gonna make a new file, and you can name this whatever. I'm just gonna leave it as is. But the first thing we want to import is requests. We're gonna import requests. Now this lets us send a request to the website to get the data and load it. So request is very important. Use it for APIs and stuff. I'll probably have a tutorial coming soon on it, but yeah, after that we want to import beautiful soup. So you can do from BS4 import beautiful soup like that. Okay, now we want to define the URL. So this is just a variable we can call upon, and that will just paste our URL like that. Okay, that's our URL there. Pretty cool. But we need to send a request to get the data from the URL, you know, load the page set. And that's really easy. All we're gonna do is response equals request.get URL, and we can just, if this is working, because we can just do like print response.text. So if we load this, as you can see, it printed the whole page here, like all the HTML code. So yeah, we know it is working, the request. Pretty cool. After this, we want to check if it's a 200, right? So code status code is 200. Now 200 means successful. If it's something like 400, 401, 404, like it's not what we want, right? We want 200. And then we're going to make a variable called soup. It's going to equal beautiful soup response.content, and we're going to use our HTML phraser. So this is going to help phrase the content that we get back, because we are getting HTML content, right? Cool. And now we want to, okay, so if we look here, we go to inspect element, if we hover over here, we can see that it's in a list, right? Called featured products list. Like if we delete that, there we go. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this class, and it's basically layers, right? So we have the first layer, the second layer, which is the product, then like the name, and then the price, right? And you basically sort of peel all the layers one by one. So first we're gonna get the featured products list. We're gonna go back here, and we're gonna go, let's make a new variable called list equals soup.find, and we're looking for a UL, because that's what it is there, UL. And then our class, so we'll do class underscore equals, what's our class? Our class is featured product list. We can just copy that, paste it. Cool. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we want to check if it actually exists, right? If we found it. So we're gonna do if featured product list, like so. We're gonna do products equals featured product list dot find underscore all, and we're looking for all the li things. So we'll do li, and its class is, let's grab its class. Its class is featured dash product. So we're gonna go back in and do class underscore equals featured dash product. Cool. All right. So if this does exist, what we want to do. Okay. So after this, what we want to do is we want to loop through all the products, right? Because it's not just one. There's multiple. All products in products. What we want to do is we want to find the name. So name equals product products.find, and to find the name, we are looking for a span. Where is it? Here, this is a span. So what we can do is we can go back here. We can do find span, and then the class you saw earlier was equals column 1L, sorry, like that. So that's grabbing the name. So once we found the name, we want to find the price of the product. You know, want to know what it costs. We can just do price equals product find, and this is also a span. If we look at the class, it's called column price. So we'll just copy and paste this class. So well, equals that. Now what we can do is we can do a print sentence. So we'll print, lowercase, and we'll f string this. We're gonna do, let's do name, price equals price. Cool. So now if we run this, okay, so as you can see, when we run this, we do get the price and we do get the name. But this is really messy, right? Like, it doesn't look clean at all. So to fix that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna edit the data we get and we're gonna make it look a little nicer. So we're gonna do if name and tag price. Sorry, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do let's just, what should we call this? New name, new underscore name equals, and we want to get that like so to get rid of the space, dot join name, and then we're going to do text dot split like that. Cool. And then we want to do new underscore price equals price dot text dot string, and then we just want to do print. Well, actually what we can do is we'll grab this, put that there, and we'll do new name here, now new price here, and then we just want to tab this one in, just press tab. And now if we clear this, we run it, there we go. It looks much cleaner. All right, so that's basically it. As you can see, we have been able to scrape all the prices. If we look here, we'll just close this, move this to the side a little bit. We can see like the AMD Ryzen, and we got the price there, the SSD price is there. Because this is an ad, it didn't have a price. The price is blank. If you wanted to, you could probably get rid of this, but I'm not going to do that in this tutorial. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Hopefully you see how useful web scraping can be. You could put this in like a Discord bot and like alert people when the price decreases. You could like track it, whatever. This is really just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to this stuff. So yeah.